Hi, this is Neda Simeonova, Editorial Director of Water and Waste Digest, and I'm here today at the AWWA show in San Diego, ACE09, with Robert Mauriello, who's president of Apcovalves and Primer Corporation. WWD welcomes Robert Mauriello. And just a little bit about the company. Apcovalves and Primer Corporation is a specialty valve manufacturer that produces check valves, air valves, and automatic pump primers. So thank you for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Thanks. Our first question is, what kind of challenges and opportunities are facing the water and wastewater industry in the near future?
Well, in the short term, we have the ARRA, which is the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009. And this is both a challenge and an opportunity, because it's a challenge in the sense that American manufacturers are going to have to start buying more parts and components in America for manufacturing their products, or at least they're going to have to meet the majority participation requirements for building their products to say that they're made in America, made in the USA. It's a long-term challenge. We have a continued access to the American market by foreign manufacturers, and this competition is very stiff. Sometimes the products are not to the same quality as the American manufacturers, and this is something that's definitely a long-term challenge that we have to address.
And how is APCO rising to meet these challenges?
Well, we decided years ago that in order to remain competitive in the valve industry, that we had to make the capital investment in machinery, state-of-the-art computerized equipment that would help us manufacture our products efficiently, both from a cost and a production standpoint. And we had to do that without compromising any quality, and that's exactly what we did. So the end result is our factory is full of modern computerized equipment, state-of-the-art technology that allows us to produce a high-quality product at a lower cost without compromising any of the quality.
Okay, thank you. What is your group doing specifically to address rising energy costs?
We have designed some of our products to become energy efficient. When I talk about valves, valves have different flow characteristics, and the flow characteristics directly reflect the energy costs for pumping. So we've designed valves that have excellent flow characteristics, and these allow the end user to use less energy to pump the same amount of fluids. And so they're very good valves, low head loss, excellent quality products.
Thank you. What are some unique technical innovations that APCO will present or reveal to help support pumping and pipeline applications?
APCO has been a leader in valve innovation and technology for many years. You know, we're over 100 years old. We've been coming to these shows for many, many years. Personally, I've been coming for 35 years. And we've introduced many design and engineering features that allow the valves to function at the optimum level in a variety of applications. For instance, we've produced a standard style swing check valve and a slanting disc style check valve with bottom mounted buffers. And these bottom mounted buffers eliminate or greatly minimize the propensity to slam. And no one likes slamming valves. And yet we've been able to provide products that will function at a high level and yet have great dynamic performance because they don't slam. And that's something that we've done. We've introduced those lines a number of years ago, and we're still modifying them today. So we have addressed it in that way. We can provide products that have superior flow characteristics, but still are extremely efficient. And again, that's what we do. We've been in the valve business for a long time. We understand valves, and again, our motto is specify the best, and that's what we try to do.
Thank you for joining us today.